the other questions that came in, and someone has mentioned, so it sounds like for a new shop, it sounds like the two coverages are necessary: garage keepers and some other kind of liability. Now, for us, that's absolutely true. We have garage keepers, and then we also have a tailored protection that covers our building, our tools, our equipment. So, are there more than just those two basics for a new shop starting out? What are the main categories of insurance that someone starting out needs to consider?
I did a PowerPoint presentation that you can share for the group that kind of walks through, a well-written garage policy. There's really just the three components: garage liability, right? That picks up the premise liability, the completed operations exposure of work performed. There's garage keepers, which just covers the care, custody, control while the vehicle is in your custody. And of course, there's auto extensions that follow with the test drive. And then there's a property section that talks about your asset vulnerability, which is your building, your contents and equipment. So if you were to buy a garage policy, we would like to see all those components built into it: a garage liability, the garage keepers, the appropriate auto extensions, so it picks up the non-owned and test drive exposure of the automobiles. And then if you choose to add the property piece to protect your assets.